Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Hello everyone, this is a quick mini training tutorial on how to copy content from one Canvas course onto another. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up the Canvas course, select the Canvas course. In your course navigation, you're going to select Settings. Now, if you look over on one side of your screen, you're going to see the option to import course content. I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see it better. Import course content. In the option Content Type, select from the drop-down and select Copy a Canvas course. Now, you want to look for the course that you are the teacher of. In this example, I'm going to choose I have this course that I want to copy. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to select either all content or select specific content. This is up to you. I'm going to keep the all content and then select import. It'll take a few minutes to import the content. You just have to wait. It's running. This might take a few minutes, it might take a while if you have a lot of content that you're importing from one Canvas course to another. Once it's done, it is complete. Now, once it finishes importing the content, I'm going to return to that course. Now, you can see that it has imported everything into my modules because that's how it was originally set up. I hope this training has been helpful and informative. And if you need any assistance to do this process, feel free to contact the EdTech team. Thank you.